गुड आफ्टरनून गाइज। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमने द हिंदू एडिटोरियल की डिक्टेशन फर्स्ट आर्टिकल ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड। देन वी विल डिस्कस सेकंड आर्टिकल जो रिलेटेड है कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन के बारे में। ओके, ये सेकंड आर्टिकल आपका डिक्टेशन होगा 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। With a stroke of a pen, the Drugs Controller General of India has put to rest any doubts and concerns that it would rush to grant emergency use approval to COVID-19 vaccines tested and manufactured in India or elsewhere in the absence of sufficient data. The greatly reassuring decision to seek additional safety and immunogenicity data from the Pune-based Serum Institute of India and Hyderabad's Bharat Biotech underlines the regulators' priorities even for emergency use approval rather than an early rollout of vaccines that have not been sufficiently studied. The decision to seek more evidence would mean a slight delay in locally manufactured vaccines becoming available, but it clearly demonstrates that the committee did not misread the announcement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi that a vaccine will be available in the next few weeks as a signal to grant approval in a haste. By keeping the approval on hold pending more evidence, the expert committee has done much to generate trust in the regulators' uncompromising approval process even for emergency use in the midst of the pandemic. However, these manufacturers have unfortunately come out as being in a hurry to seek approval without sufficient data to support their case. Bharat Biotech's rush to seek approval is of concern as the company had not submitted any data from its phase 3 trial but relied entirely on the interim safety and immunogenicity data of the phase 1 and phase 2 trials. The company had begun phase 3 trials only in mid-November, while Serum had submitted interim safety and efficacy data of the Oxford vaccine from the phase 2-3 clinical trials carried out in India and other countries. The safety data of the Indian trial submitted was only till mid-November. The phase 3 trials by Sperm began on September 21, and since the second dose is administered 28 days after the first, the median follow up after the second dose would have been for just a few weeks, far less than at least 2 months that the US FDA had stipulated, full stop, with the published data of the interim phase 3 trial of the Oxford vaccine raising some concerns. The committee has rightly sought immunogenicity data from the UK trial. While the UK has approved the mRNA vaccine from the US based Pfizer, no country, including the UK, has approved the Oxford vaccine manufactured by London based AstraZeneca in September. 9 global vaccine manufacturers and signed a joint pledge that they would not seek premature approval from regulatory authorities and would test COVID-19 vaccines to the highest standards and keep the safety of vaccinated individuals our top priority. So, Indian manufacturers should strive to carry out the trials to the highest ethical standards and submit comprehensive data such that emergency use approval is a sure shoot. Any further haste shown in seeking approval for emergency use may turn detrimental and the companies may even run the risk of losing public trust, full stop. ये आपके 450 वर्ड्स हैं, 80 वर्ड पर मिनट से। इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मिला मैच करके भी देखिए। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।